Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me.
The topic is Delhi POCSO courts register highest ever clearance rate amid push to clear backlog. Now, Delhi disposed of substantially more protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act cases than it receives in 2025, recording its highest annual clearance rate as part of efforts to address long-standing delays in child sexual offences trials. It was among the top 3 states in terms of disposal rate. Now, Delhi's POCSO protection of child from sexual offences courts recorded their highest ever clearance rate in 2025, disposing 78% more cases than they received during the year. According to the data from National Judicial Data Grid (NJDG) and the National Crime Record Bureau (NCRB), the annual disposal rate of POCSO cases in Delhi has steadily improved over recent years, rising from 108% in 2021 to 178% in 2025. This indicates that courts are clearing not only fresh cases but also a significant portion of backlog. Despite this progress, the article highlights serious challenges like a large proportion of cases remain pending for over 2 years, significant interstate disparities in disposal rates, delays undermine justice delivery and worsen trauma for child victims. Nationally, 80,320 child sexual abuse cases were reported, and while disposal rates have improved, pendency remains high. NGOs working in child protection stress that speedy justice is crucial for victim rehabilitation and faith in the justice system. The report calls for sustained judicial reforms, better infrastructure, more judges, victim-centric procedures, and system coordination to ensure timely justice under the POCSO Act. Now let us look at the numbers. Chhattisgarh has topped the list. Chhattisgarh has the highest clearance rate, which is 189%, followed by Delhi and Odisha 178%, and Rajasthan 170%, Sikkim 155%, and Madhya Pradesh 139%. The national average disposal rate of POCSO cases stood at 109%. POCSO courts in Delhi received 1,006 cases in 2025 but disposed 1,792 cases, clearing a significant portion of their backlog from previous years. As per the report, across the country, 80,320 child abuse cases were filed this year and 87,754 were disposed of. The report pendency to protection achieving the tipping point of justice for child victims of sexual abuse by India. Child protection by an NGO works for child rights, highlighting that most of the pending POCSO cases in Delhi, which is 20,075, were 6 to 10 years old. The report is based on data updated till December 2 from the National Judicial Data Grid System and the National Crime Record Bureau and the information table in the Lok Sabha. Now let us look at the UPSC relevance of this topic. So this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2, which is polity and governance. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 1, which is society, GS paper 4 ethics, and essay paper also. This becomes highly relevant.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.